Okay, take two. Well, pretty much part two, because I'm too lazy and don't want to record a long video for you guys.
Set it? No, you can't set it down.
No, if I set it down, I won't be able to flick back from the TV to your face, to the TV to your face, to your sexy face, to the TV.
You need a camera too.
What?
You need a camera too.
I do. I have a camera right here.
Camera like this one. I don't know. Sits around and does nothing.
My phone can sit around and do nothing too. It's just I like to flick back, flick back, flick back.
Shit, that was a water bottle. It scared me.
You retard.
Yeah, come out of there. I haven't seen any sign of whatever the hell.
Until it screams.
Okay, that was screaming. I said I haven't seen him. I said, Jesus, I tried to shoot him.
You tried to shoot him?
I pressed the fire.
Shit.
I pressed the fire button from Black Ops. Oh no, I cornered myself.
Uh-oh.
Just don't look in that direction. You'll be fine. Just don't look in that direction. And I'm up. Shit!
Yeah, he's smarter than that there, Bradley.
No, I better not. I'll block my looking at. What the is these things?
Those are Egyptian, I believe. Voice crack. The fuck was that?
Looking behind me, I see nothing. Looking in front of me, I see nothing. But this giant monkey-looking head.
And screams of joy.
Joy.
I don't know. I know you can. You can play this. Can you let me talk?
Go right ahead.
Wait, you should be the one talking, but
Yeah.
you can play this online too, because I got the online version.
Wait.
So you can pretty much play with other people.
You're doing the same thing?
Yeah.
Finding caves? That would be pretty cool.
Yeah, really, you lean back, so now I have to flick back to your face. I had the screen and the face. Fuck, perfect. I'll just go to your face because the face is like this.
But I have two cameras on my face.
I'll flick back to the game recording. Well, I was able to record the game and stuff if you didn't lean back.
There's a tape here! Leave me alone! No, shut up.
I'm gonna record the game for a bit.
Yes, that might be a good idea.
So pretty much
There's a tape in this room.
this video's been 10 minutes pretty much now.
I'm manning up and I'm going in here. Check me out.
I wonder how long it's gonna take for you to actually beat the game.
Oh shit. Where's the tape?
Right there! Ow! I punched the camera.
Oh! Hi. Turn the camera or turn this thing off.
I freaking punched the freaking phone when I was like, right there! I was like,
What the hell is that?
oh, don't worry, that's just a ghost. Ghost of a lost soul that's been killed by the rapist.
That's me!
Oh god, he's like stalking you now. Asian stalker.
Maybe he'll show me where to go.
Or he'll just lead you to death because I believe he's right behind you.
Yeah, funny. You hear that, right?
Yeah, careful. When you have like 3 letters, he's following you constantly. So that means don't be taking breaks and shit like that. Oh, I just zoomed in. I tried to zoom out.
Where is this? I keep hearing the fuzziness.
Go in the next room. Shit, don't look up.
Oh! Oh! Damn it! No, shut up.
Even though I played this game, we should record me playing it.
Oh shit!
That's what I like, taunting friends with games you've already played.
Well, nothing else has happened to me.
I wonder if you can play split screen on this game. No, it actually ruined the whole feel of the game.
Split screen?
Yeah.
You could try it. See what it's like.
I said I wonder if you can. I don't know if you can split screen it. Check on top of the things. If they do like that.
No!
Oh, he's over there.
Maybe it was him that's setting it off.
Don't know what tricks his dick. Oh, there it is.
I found it. I'm so smart.
Hey, I'm the one that pointed it out too. Oh,
Okay,
4 out of 8.
4 out of 8. I got half the tape.
Now he's gonna brutally rape you.
Oh my god, leave me alone, stupid eggs. They look footprints. I'm gonna follow these.
I really need a PVR because you could have that camera recording your face, and then we could both add them onto a computer and like edit them and put like a face cam.
Oh shit.
Somebody's creeping up on you. I need some more. Are you really home?
No, I think when I heard one of those cracks in the floor and disintegrate.
Oh, that's why you're saying it.
Come on, run, bitch. You run faster than that.
Water is delicious. I know, most horror games, they don't run fast at all. Then, like I said, horror games.
Okay, I found him in this room before. I bought her to tape.
Oh, wait.
There's nowhere to spawn him at.
Oh, crap, my finger got in the screen.
I think I'm all good now. There's nowhere to spawn him at. What is deliberately doing this? Keep expecting fucking stuff.
There we go. Thanks for leaning forward. Now I can get your face in the game.
Why is everything starting to get a bit more blurry? Is the flashlight dying?
I don't know if it can die. I think it's just because of the near side. I have to friggin' stretch my wrist because it like friggin' locks up when you have it in one place.
Oh, a naked man. Okay.
A naked man, really?
That's what it's showing the painting.
That's gross.
A bunch of women surrounding his death. Surrounding him.
A bunch of women.
Bunch of women surrounding him. Orgasm.
Orgy. He wanted to join the orgy.
Hey, look, there's mummies.
I think this is
that
gonna...
white guy is one of the mummies.
I think this is going to be a
That
third
sounded
part.
racist.
I think we're going to have this in a third part. Be back.